target?
That's 625.
Shoot on target 18.
Okay.
What's that one? This one there, I think that's 650. Alright, let's try 650. I think that's 650.
You shot above me.
Did I?
Yeah, you shot above me and a little bit to the left.
Right on the bottom of the orange circle.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh, that's a nice shot.
Yep.
I think I did just cross there more than that.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's pretty
There you
damn
go,
close.
650.
Take a look. I don't think you want it.
There is Mr.
How'd you do that,
60.
Sam?
There it is. Oh, there's a whole bunch of targets up there.
Oh, okay.
I'll shoot at that red square thing. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, that's pretty damn close, Grace.
I should try
Just to the right.
And then look at, see where it ends.
That was low.
See if they go together.
No, shoot it. See if you get in the bullseye. Shell in there.
Just to the right.
There's a shell in there. Just take your time. Just put it on.
Like right in the orange. Look at my orange. Yeah.
That was just low.
To the left.
19. Yeah. 18.
That was windage was just low. There's a hit.
I didn't even see dust clouds. Oh, did it hit board? Hit the board?
Oh, that was right in front of it. That was right in front of it again. Jeez. Like inches from it.